In this video, I will show how you can connect to two different MetaTrader accounts or brokers in parallel. The only way to do that is to have MetaTrader installations. So I will show how you can install MetaTrader terminals on the same computer. When you start the MetaTrader installer, the important thing is to click on Settings instead of Next. Then we specify another installation directory. In this case, I add instance 01 to the directory name. Let's connect this MetaTrader terminal to the first broker account. Now we rename the link on the desktop so we can identify it later easier. And now for the second MetaTrader terminal, you have again to click on Settings and specify another installation directory. In this case, I added instance 02. Then you have to connect to the other MetaTrader account. This can be the same broker or another broker. And to identify the other account, I am renaming the link here again. You can also name it like your broker name, account number, or trading strategy. You can then start both MetaTrader terminals in parallel, and you are connected to two different broker accounts at the same time. You can also install more than two MetaTrader terminals with this logic. This works with MetaTrader 4 and 5. The typical use case where you need this is when you are trading at multiple prop firms or when you have a funding service and want to fund multiple accounts in parallel. If you struggle to get your prop firm account passed, watch the video in the upper right corner.